Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I got another one. This one is from Ferengi of Australia, and this is Migelas Protevit Rasa Soto Ayam. So it's a lime chicken one from Indonesia. And so I'm going to explain the title or the brand or the variety or whatever. Migelas. Mi means noodle. Gelas. Just think of like, I would like a glass of milk. I would like a glass of water. Well, 1 cup of water is 1 glass. Seriously, that's what it means. So it means noodle, cup, and noodle. Cup noodle. And so what you do is you take your fine designer Ramen Raider mug. You can get these everywhere. I'd be surprised if you haven't seen them in every store yet. And then you take your block of noodles, look at that, and you drop it in. I'm throwing all them noodles in there. Oh boy, oh boy. And you put your soup base. I'm guessing this one's going to be soup base powder. This one's going to be, yeah, it's going to be chili pepper. Very standard combo for Indonesian fare. 3 quick ones today. I'm really happy about that because I don't feel well. But I am going to go get some ice cream. Perhaps something very bad for dinner, but probably not. Well, at least, I don't know. I don't know. Usually when I don't feel well, I go for chicken nuggets. So now you know that. And then I'm going to put a reasonable amount of liquid in here, right about there. That's reasonable. And we're going to run that for 3 minutes. So there we go. We'll see if it works. One thing I should mention is this does not have any preparation instructions on the package, but if you look at it, it's in a mug. Yeah, it's all in Indonesian. Bahasa? But yeah, I don't know what to do other than what I'm doing now. And it's a decent amount of powder base, so I'm guessing that this is a reasonable amount of liquid to add for it. But yeah, the noodle block is beginning to come apart. Yeah, I had this mug made. You can't find these anywhere. This is a one-off. Do you want to buy one of these? I can put them in the store. The merch store. You know you can get t-shirts, right? Don't you want a t-shirt? Buy a t-shirt for a loved one, because they don't actually love you right now. But if you buy them a Ramen Raider t-shirt, wow. Night and day, folks. Night and day. Anyways, on the other side of this, if I do put these in the Ramen Raider merch shop, which nobody really buys any, sometimes people buy a t-shirt, but it has the quote, the 40-second quote out of the book by Momofuku Ando. It's all quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Yeah, and it was supposed to say beat instead of neat. So it says, think, and think again. When I neat my brains out, I pass blood in my urine. I mean, it really says that. Can you see? I just think that's the craziest quote of pretty much anybody. But the fact that the guy who invented instant noodles said that, and I'm really into instant noodles. That's freaking wonderful. Talk about making my day. Sadly, he died a little while back, so never got a chance to meet him. That would have been really neat. His son is, he runs, what do you call it? Nissan Foods Japan. Be neat to meet him. I don't know. And it'd be neat to go visit, what do you call it? The World Instant Noodle Association. I should bug them. I haven't bugged them in like a couple years. I've tried to get them to let me join, but they wouldn't. Oh, you have to be a manufacturer. I'm like, I can't pay the dues. It's like $800 a year. I really just wanted to do that, and I had the means to do so at one point, and I was like, yes, I will be a paying member of your group. Just let me join. No, sorry, it's just not possible. We apologize. That's okay. Very kind, very gracious people. Let's try this. Thin noodle, not bad. Broth. About what I expected. It's kind of a lime chicken happening. It's really not bad. And it is what I would call a cup noodle. I mean, it's in a cup. Or a mug noodle. Okay. Let's see how this looks. I don't generally... There you go. That's what you get. There you go. Hey. Got some chicken. I think I'll use some tinned chicken in the next one I do as well. I wonder how many calories this tiny little noodle block is. Easy to figure that one out. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper. And we're gonna add some spring onion. And finally, we are going, I don't think I'm gonna go with sesame seeds. I could, but no, I'm gonna add some crispy onions, although that would make more sense with Ayam bawang, which is a like onion chicken flavor. But yeah, look at that. A little mug of noodles. I know I could have presented it in the mug, but I didn't feel like it. So there you go. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is from Som. The last one of these I didn't fare so well. It kind of had a heartburn flavor to it. This one is soy and garlic, and I've got high hopes. So, yeah. Good luck. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.